how do you get 8 certifications in year one when some people struggle to
Yeah.
get one?
So when I first started, I thought admin was like the certification, like what you say. But then I heard you talking about the associate certification, which has since been renamed. And so that was the one I started with as a way to kind of test the system, uh, gain a little bit of knowledge, and then to maybe gain some confidence as well. Like, hey, I can do this. And I failed admin twice, and it took me a little over 4 months to finally pass admin. It was really difficult and was very, very stressful for me. And I still wanted to feel like I was making progress towards my greater Salesforce goals. So I made a list of all of the certifications that didn't have prerequisites and kind of ranked them by which ones I thought would be easiest and had information that I thought would overlap with admin. So, for example, I did the sales representative exam, which again has been renamed, because I wanted to learn more about the Sales Cloud portion of things and just tried to strategically choose certifications that would overlap and help me get to the point where I could pass admin.
That's cool. I love that. It's
Yeah.
such a simple strategy. You're sort of positioning these so that you have the most efficient route to success, but you're also giving
Hmm.
yourself, starting with the ones you at least assume will be the easiest for you. You're giving
Hmm.
yourself, those are a lot of mental wins, and that allows you to
Hmm.
stay focused and move forward. So I really like that. I think those are great takeaways. So many people love, it's not my favorite like clickbait question, but I'll just ask you top three certifications for somebody who's moving into their first Salesforce job. They're an aspiring Salesforce
Hmm.
professional. Everybody wants to know, like,
Yeah.
what are your three? Because you've got some experience with certifications for
Yeah.
the first 18 months.
So I think it depends on what field you want to go into.
Okay.
So if you're wanting to go the business analyst route, business analyst, strategy designer, UX designer are really great. Obviously, beyond admin, you have to get admin no matter what you're doing. Start with admin. I would even say I recently did data architect. And if you're wanting to go the BA route, data architect is a really, really great one, especially if you're going into a solid org that has a lot of history and has data that needs to be cleaned up. It's like my job that I have now, we do a lot of data cleansing, lots of data projects. So data architect I found to be very helpful for me. If you're wanting to go into marketing, there's a lot of specific marketing certifications. I haven't gone down that path yet. But I would say if you're wanting to just be an administrator, I would say admin, platform app builder, BA.